Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great opportunity that awaits you. This magnificent deal is designed where you can live and earn. It is situated in the cool, quiet Mandeville in an area called Hanbury. This apartment complex is set up carefully and crafted for living and earning at the same time. This unique setup consists of 4 apartment units. Each comprises of 2 and 3 bedrooms, 2 and 3 baths, all with living, dining, kitchen, laundry, water tanks, and outdoor areas. The land size is 0.24 acres. Call for an appointment to view and make an offer. Serious enquiries only. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment complex. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this complex is Jamaican 85 million or US $538.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.